NVIDIA just open sourced the thing big tech didn't want you to have. AI agents that are fast, cheap, and actually remember what they're doing. NVIDIA just dropped Nemotron 3 and quietly changed how AI agents are going to be built from here on out. Not smarter for the sake of it models, but practical, scalable, multi-agent systems that don't bankrupt you every time they think. Here's the problem nobody talks about. AI agents are expensive. Every prompt costs money. Every decision spins up compute. And when you try to run multiple agents together, costs explode. In memory, most agents forget context faster than a goldfish. Nemotron 3 fixes both. NVIDIA released 3 fully open models designed specifically for agentic AI systems. Nano, Super, and Ultra. And yes, open means open weights, training data, fine-tuning tools, and reinforcement learning environments. No black box, no trust us bro licensing. Let's start with the numbers because NVIDIA came prepared. Nemotron 3 Nano is 3.3 times faster than Quinn 30B. 2.2 times faster than other comparable open source models, and supports a 1 million token context window. That's not a tweet. That's entire books, full code bases, massive workflows remembered at once. And Nano is available right now. It runs on standard hardware, not some secret supercomputer in a mountain. Super and Ultra are coming in 2026, with Ultra scaling up to 500 billion parameters. But the real story isn't size. It's architecture. Nemotron 3 uses a hybrid mixture of experts design, meaning only the parts of the model needed for a task actually activate. Less compute, less cost, more speed, which is exactly what multi-agent systems need. Because agents don't work alone. They talk to each other, plan, delegate, review, and iterate. That's where Nemotron 3 shines. Instead of one giant model doing everything badly, you get specialized agents working together efficiently. And companies are already doing this. Cursor is using it for coding workflows, Perplexity for search and research, ServiceNow for enterprise automation, CrowdStrike for cybersecurity analysis. This isn't theoretical. This is already in production. And deployment? Pick your poison. Run it locally on your machine, deploy on AWS or other cloud providers. Use inference platforms like Together AI, or lock it inside private enterprise networks. Which brings us to the open source angle. This is huge. Most frontier models today are closed. You can't audit them. You can't modify them. And regulated industries just have to hope nothing breaks compliance. Nemotron 3 changes that. Banks, healthcare, government can now inspect, customize, and control their AI agents fully. And NVIDIA knows exactly what it's doing. Closed AI labs are building custom silicon. China dominates open model adoption globally. NVIDIA's response? Release powerful open models and make sure they run best on NVIDIA hardware. It's not charity, it's strategy. And if you start with Nano today, you can scale to Super and Ultra later without rebuilding your entire system. Same APIs, same tooling, bigger brains. So who wins here? Startups building agent systems without burning millions. Developers finally getting real open tools again. Nemotron 3 isn't trying to be the smartest model on Earth. It's trying to be the most useful. And that might be the most dangerous move NVIDIA's made yet. Follow NextGen AI for more updates.